my hand that night, swaying back and forth so slow. I remember how the music played, and I wasn't scared to go into your arms, into the song, like we practiced all those days. But something changed when we moved close, in ways I can't explain. We're still dancing in my mind tonight,